how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. So all you have to do is to go here to your desktop, and for me I use my Chrome, and just tap on Amazon affiliate program, and here you will see the very first option. So if you tap on this, you will see this affiliate-program.amazon.com, and it will look like this. To be able to sign up your account is on the upper right, you will see a country or flag rather, and here you will see the list of the Amazon affiliate program that are available to such countries, and currently my country is not available for that. And if your country is available, then all you have to do is to choose from here. If you're done choosing here, tap on sign up here. It will look like this. So all you have to do is to fill out everything here, your name, and then your address, your city, and of course your state or province or region, your zip or your postal code here, your country, and your phone number. And here it will ask who is the main contact for this account. Then for example, if you own the Amazon affiliate program, then tap on the payee listed above. Since I cannot proceed to the next here, I actually took a screenshot here, so let me just present here for a while. The second step here is like this. So you'll now go to the website and mobile app list. So all you have to do is you just enter your websites here, and of course your mobile app URLs here. These are the list of all the top level websites or mobile apps on which you plan to display banners, widgets, special links, and other ads from Amazon Associates. So you need to add at least one website or mobile app. So you can add up to 50 websites or mobile apps. So if you have your website here, just paste it there and tap on add. So let's say you're already done with that. These option will actually come up. Are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 13? These traffic sources are not eligible to display banners, widgets, special links, or other ads for Amazon Associates. So you're required to declare this information, and then tap on yes here if it's a yes, and no if it's a no. So if you're done with that, then here you will be asked to your profile. So all you have to do is to just fill out everything here again. So here you will fill out your preferred associate store ID or your store name, and then of course your website here, and then your mobile app here, and then just fill out everything here, and what type Amazon items do you intend to list on your websites here or your mobile apps. Or if, for example, you're selling clothing, then tap on clothing and shoes and jewelry. And then let's say you're also selling items such as healthy and beauty, tap on beauty there. And then what type, here you will select what type of your website or your mobile apps. And then if you're done here, then it will lead you to start using Associate Central here, and it will actually congratulate you. So here, in the meantime, you have been granted a full access to Associate Central for 24 hours a day. And if your affiliate links have not referred quality sales after 180 days, your application and access to Associate Central will be withdrawn. Enter your payment and tax information. If you're ready to enter your payment and tax information, tap on now. And if you're not, then tap on later, and it will lead you to your Amazon.com associate program. And basically that is how you sign up for Amazon affiliate program step by step. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.